Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore energy consumption reports using Tesla Energy app, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Tesla Energy app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. From the home screen, navigate to the Energy tab located at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Consumption section within the Energy tab. Tap on the Consumption option to access your energy reports. Once in the Consumption section, locate the calendar icon typically found at the top right corner. Tap on the calendar icon to open the Date selection menu. Choose the time frame for which you want to restore the energy consumption report. Select the desired start date and end date. After selecting the dates, tap Done or Apply to update the report. The app will refresh to display your energy consumption for the chosen period. If you need to view detailed daily reports, tap on a specific day within the displayed range. This will provide you with hour-by-hour energy usage data for that selected day. To return to the overall consumption view, simply navigate back using the back arrow. If you wish to export or share your reports, look for the Share or Export button. Follow the on-screen prompts to save or share your energy consumption report. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section within the app for troubleshooting tips. This process will help you effectively monitor and restore your energy consumption reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.